I'll
Do you
have
know what fish and chips are?
what?
It's fried fish and french fries.
This is my choice. I like it. Grandpa,
Yes.
This is my choice and I like it.
Yes, come up.
do you like one of these?
Yeah.
And she read it upside down. So cute, little. This is my choice.
I'm glad I captured that on the camera. It's still
Motion?
rolling. Yeah. It's just like, this is my choice and I like it.
Which one am I?
Yeah.
Chanel, camera can't see you.
Go like this.
Chanel, what are you doing?
Hmm?